Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There is going to be an emergency meeting of Igbos in the United States. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Why emergency meeting? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Igbo diaspora in the United States and Europe are poised for an emergency meeting. And that emergency meeting is about insecurity in the Southeast and Nnamdi Kanu. These are the two issues that they say they are going to discuss in that meeting. That's taking place on Saturday, January 25, 2025. That's what we're going to talk about in this video and why that is coming at this time. According to the report, the Igbo people in diaspora around the world, particularly in Europe and the United States, will on Saturday, January 25, 2025, hold an emergency meeting of the World Igbo Congress, WIC. And in this channel, the outcome of that meeting will also share it in this channel and analyze it, what it means. Now, according to the World Igbo Congress Vice Chairman, Honorable Basil Onwukwe, the Chairman of the Board of Directors of World Igbo Congress, Dr. Festus Okere, directed him to summon the emergency meeting of Igbo leaders in diaspora on Saturday, January 25, 2025. At noon, United States Eastern Time, and 7 p.m. Igbo time. That's Nigerian time. Onwukwe said that this meeting, Onwukwe said, and I quote, said this meeting couldn't have come at a better time when homeland leadership is unimaginable inept. Homeland leadership is unimaginable inept. What the unimaginable inept means that those Igbo leaders in Nigeria, they are inept. They don't know what they are doing. I went on to say, when politicians cannot support the right to life of our youths in the public. He went on to say, the militarization of our homeland and the deliberate plots to deprive us security is a clear present danger. The abduction and locking up or kill on sight raid in homeland is the height of betrayal and an irreconcilable threat to national unity. The meeting will enable us to fashion a diaspora solution for Igbo and form a strong alliance to solve the pending issues, including Mazi Nnamdi, MNK's unlawful incarceration. End of quote. Here, the Igbos in diaspora, United States and Europe, calling an emergency meeting because the Southeast leaders, in their own estimation, have failed to protect the interest of Igbo in Nigeria. They found them inept, lacking the courage to talk about even the Southeast challenges. It is a sad commentary coming from abroad to the Igbos living in Nigeria, Igbo leaders in Nigeria. Because what they said is the gospel truth. Recently, there have been several reports by the Amnesty International about extrajudicial killing in the Southeast. I have never heard any Southeast governor say anything about it. I have never seen any Southeast senator say anything about it. I have never seen the Southeast caucus of the National Assembly say anything about it. But Amnesty International have been saying and writing about extrajudicial killing in Southeast Nigeria. Now they are not saying anything. Because they are not saying anything, that is why the Igbo in diaspora is making an intervention through an emergency meeting. Of course, there are some things they raise here that are common knowledge. The militarization of our homeland and the deliberate plots to deprive us security is a clear present danger. The abduction and lockup or kill on sight rate in homeland is the height of betrayal. Now, all these things, they are demise are happening in the Southeast. But the Southeast leaders hardly say anything about it. And that is why it is even more worrisome now that Southeast has President General of Ohanese, who is like a civil servant. See no evil, hear no evil. I don't know how Southeast will be able to survive in the next few years in terms of getting its views heard where it matters most. And this Southeast or Igbo in diaspora is taking the challenge upon themselves to see what they can do to draw attention to what is going on in the homeland. And what is going on in the homeland is that people's rights are being violated, people's rights are being abused, and these things are documented by Amnesty International and other human rights organizations. There have been several reports that have been coming out in recent time talking about disappearance of youths, disappearance of people, many people disappearing because they are being tagged that they are IPOB members and all that. We have had this report. Amnesty International has it, and several other organizations, they have that report. But you won't see Imo State governor say anything about this. You won't see any state governor say anything about this report by Amnesty International. You won't see a Ebonyi governor say anything about it. Even Abia State governor that should know better, he hardly says anything about it. All the Southeast governors, they don't talk about this unfortunate report, or even to say that it is true or false. They ignore the report. But the people in the diaspora say they can't afford to ignore this information we are getting. they are getting about what is going on in the Southeast. I think it's a good development because the truth of the matter is that the challenge of the Igbo nation is not going to be left in the hands of few people or one person. Azutan Bata may not be a vociferous President General. He may not be able to do much to articulate the challenges facing in the Igbo, and the Igbo politicians themselves are so myopic, thinking about the next election than about the future of their people. They are not likely to do anything. The onus is now left on others, like the World Igbo Congress, what they have done, calling for emergency meeting. It's a good development. Like I said, whatever is the outcome of that their meeting, we'll share it in this channel to see the way forward. And whatever is your position on some of the things they said about the ineptitude of Southeast leaders right now. Do you agree with them that they have failed, they are inept? Do you agree with the World Igbo Congress, or you have a defense you can make on their behalf? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.